Hey friends, if you wish to download and install code blocks on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So go to the code blocks website. I have shared the link in the description section of the video and go to the downloads page. You can scroll down and then you can download the source code. Okay. Or you can download it from sourceforge.net. So it has been downloaded right now. It needs around 1 minute to download. So we will wait till then. So now I will extract this file. And now we have code blocks on our system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.